Hello everybody, this is Dennis, your host at the Glass Treehouse, answering the number one question for the Glass Treehouse as a host. It is, how does the stove work? This is an induction stove and only metallic pots and pans work. So you have to put it on the burner first before you power it up. We will power it up by hitting the power button, and you can see that this burner is for the back, this side is for the front. So we have it on the back burner. We're going to turn on the on button. Oh, power went out. Power's got to be on. It'll go off if you don't set it. There we go. So the on button is on. Now we're going to hit the power button. P means full power. If I want to, I can lower it. Now I'll lower it to 7. The great thing about induction is the heat transfers through the pot and heats the what's in the pot directly. And once you pull it off, it is light to the touch. So if I put it here, I can touch it and it won't burn myself. So, ooh, normally that would be very hot. And when I put it back, it's heating up that water again. And this is how you control it. We're going to put it at the very top. So that's how you control it. And there's 4 burners. I wish I could get a better shot. So there's 4 burners, and there's also a bridge burner. So if you had a big pot, which I don't think we do, we've got some pots here, and it's the drawer under the coffee maker. We got 1 big pot, a couple of frying pans, and a couple of regular pots. But those are what we have. And let's see, I'll put this frying pan, put some water in it. Most people do not know what an induction stove is, and they've never used one. 99% of us, including myself, do not have one. But the owner thought this would be good because it's the top of the line, but obviously it takes a long time to figure it out, so it's not the greatest idea to have for guests that are only staying one night. So we go with the power first, and we hit the on button, and then we hit P for the most, and then you should be able to slide that down. Ooh, too far. Okay, so it's on because you can hear it and it's boiling. Our first pot is already to a boil. So this is the neatest thing about induction. So I'm going to move it off of that boiler, and I'm going to put my hand right on it. Put it back, and it will start boiling again. If you wanted to, you could put a towel underneath, and if anything boiled over, it would get on the tile. But we don't want you to do that because we don't want stains on our towels, to be honest with you. But that's it. It's the best of both worlds. It's It's better than an electric top because it heats faster and it heats more efficiently, and it's better than a gas stove because it's easier to clean. So I wish we had something that everybody obviously knew how to do right off the bat and was comfortable with, but this is what we got, and this is my tutorial. Hopefully it helps you figure things out. And also it takes a lot of energy, so if you're not seeing these heat up, you're not seeing these come out, then we probably need to go to the panel, which is located by the door that you entered from. And there's a panel box there. The breaker's going to get tripped. If too much power or something happens, this old house, the breaker might trip every now and then. That would be the reason. Just reset the breaker and try everything again. Well, I hope you understood what's going on, and I hope this helps. We made this because I couldn't find a good one on YouTube. Hopefully this one is better than nothing. If you have any trouble, call Dennis. He's here to help.